When your man tells you that, oh, you smell good or you smell bad, take it.
Come. Madam, come now, come. Don't be scared, come.
Welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, today I bring this news come from now. Not be news story or news. Yes, I'll put the video. A lady when she dey pack dirty to take survive, to take eat, to take feed the children. I pray may my country progress, may my country better. Yes, may my country Nigeria better. That is why I bring this this video come. The reason why make me bring this video come is this our sister. So not be man pregnant her. No be man give her those 2 children. If you not marry woman and you dey there, you dey work, please take care of your children. Please take care of your children. If you not marry woman and now get children together, see this our sister.
Come. Madam, come now, come. Don't be scared, come. Just come. Drop the... Come close, come to the car. Don't worry, don't be scared. What's your name? Isioma. Why are you picking those things? That's what you feed with.
When I sell them, I use it. Serious?
When you sell and you use and chop.
If I sell them, I use the money.
You use the money chop. So if you no pick dustbin and all these things, sell and chop. Sell and you no go feed chop. Jesus Christ. Please, where are you from?
I'm from Delta.
You're from Delta. Where in Delta State?
From Ndokwa.
Please, can you come close? Come close, please. Are you married? Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids? You have 2 kids. All right, can you do a business? What kind of business can you do?
Before, waiting I dey sell na garri and yam. So when I born my last born,
Okay.
I born am for premature. So we stay for FMC
Okay.
for 4 months for incubator.
Okay.
So after the bill was much,
Okay.
so now waiting make me enter this.
Okay.
Because
Okay, if I understand you,
no money to
wait. If I understand you, you born for FMC.
Yes.
Asaba here.
Yes.
Premature.
Yes.
And then you stay for you and your baby stay for incubator for 4 months.
For 4 months.
So after that,
The one when I born for premature is 5 years now.
okay. The other one is how many years?
That one now is 8 years.
8 years. All right. The fact is that your story is about to change.
They stay. They will go final. I pray may they go refiner. I pray. Yes, might be that one. Let's go to another one. All my ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the beautiful wifey. Yes, all the beautiful wife. Put your hands up. Come on. You be among of the one when Oga tell you go back. Come on. This one enter. Come near me. You there among of the one when Oga go say go and bath before you bath. As a woman, I go still leave the video for now. Wait till this our sister. Oh, now 100%. As a woman, you enter kitchen, you go cook. After you cook, you go eat. You know, brush down your teeth. You know, bath yourself. Before you go near Oga. You go bath yourself, spray your body spray. Oga go tell you say, come. Your mouth dey smell. Go bath. That one an insult to you. As a woman, are you supposed to show good example to your husband? You will go bath. Your husband, of course, say you go bath. Your husband gonna you they say signal and say, man, go stay bath because you don't bath. How can a woman, bath? That place, so that our place, so that place, so hey, see, woman, may I tell you now, the May. You know, see on that here, hi. You know, see here, wah. You know, you know, see, no that area, that now you know bath. You want cast the house? Woman, may we talk as woman and woman. If you are a woman, you dey out there, please try and bath. If you wake up, no matter that busy. For me, no matter that busy. If I wake up, when I never get children, if I wake up, first thing I went to bathroom bath. And he asked me again. If I wake up, if I want to carry my children go school, I may be the first person when I will bath myself. Because that bath, they give you energy. They give you strength to do things. Yes. Not the first my children, but I be Saturday when they go school. As we wake up at the same time, I'll go bath them, give them breakfast. The next thing, me go enter bathroom, bath myself. But the day of school, 6 o'clock, I don't get it. I'm your first bath myself. I'll come bath my children. I'll come give them breakfast. if you be woman out there, try follow this first step. On your alarm when you know say you go first bath before you wake your children, bath them, give them breakfast, catch up bus if you dey go with bus as me dey go with bus, catch up that is catch your bus time, then go inside bus drop your children for school. You go even dey smart, you go dey smart. I dey see some women may I live there, you go dey smart. How woman go just dey bath, wetin be that? That one pass for juju o. Then evening, by this time after you don cook finish, give your family food, enter bathroom, bath, spray your body spray for your armpits, spray your body spray for your body, then wear anything you want wear, then sleep. If you near your husband not tell you say, hey, your body, no. And if you go bath, you wake up in the morning, your body go look sand too. Your body go still look sand. Me, I bath twice in a day. I wake up in the morning, I bath. Before I go to bed, I bath. Those two things, I know they use and they play. No matter how the work come. Yes. Always program yourself as a woman. Don't let your husband use money to tell you now. I will still leave the short video for now. The video come from TikTok. I'll still leave the short. I'll leave the video for now. And still watch. When this our sister, they advise us how to bath. It's very good. Bath. Love yourself. Loving of yourself, it matter a lot. If you love yourself, if you will get this one shirt, you wash and you wear and you go there happy, you go there bright, you go there smart. Not they leave your body like that as a woman. No, it's not good though. For me, it's not good. That's my own advice. If you be busy woman, I remember my mom, my beautiful sweet mom, when God will give long life. Before she dey go her work, her business those days, Harmattan time, I go tell you say when you bath, you not receive cold, you not feel cold for Harmattan, and it's true. If I bath for this our cold weather, if I come outside, that cold not come to her. Me, I be person when they catch cold well. My mom, as she dey early wake up go market, she must bath. She go fetch water bath. Me now, I believe say my daughter doesn't see me now. My son doesn't see me now. Early morning, I wake up, I'll bath. Once I bath finish, before I go bath, sometimes one don't wake up, I'll go bath. Sometimes I'll wake one, go bath. Now so, always take care of yourself. Love yourself. Let yourself look. If you don't even make up, it's like you don't even make up. At least beautify your body, bath. Let your body clean. Let your look. I live in America. Enjoy this video. Okay, if today never subscribe today, my first time of coming across this Naija daughter. I beg subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I will bring gist come for now. Now gist we do. We not there for we not there for Yes, our channel don't monetize channel.
He inboxed me a few days ago, and he was telling me that my wife does not bath before going to bed. He always tell her to bath before going to bed. Now, sister or woman, if your mom keeps telling you to go and bath, that means you have bad smell. Some women, they just feel that, in fact, they don't even take correction from their man. See, when you are smelling, it does not smell to your nose. It smells to you pleasant. But when you are smelling good, people will tell you, okay? When your man tells you that, you smell good or you smell bad, take it. Because your smelling bad will always be good to you. If a man tells you, go and bath, what does it take you to bath before going to bed? Now, it is not for him alone. No. You will sleep like a baby, I'm telling you. Like imagine you bath in the morning. So women bath only once in a day. It doesn't make sense. Normally it's morning and night. Daytime you do your things. But when your man keeps telling you to go to bath before going to bed, you should do that. That means maybe your smelling is not pleasant. Like if you look fresh before going to bed, it is so good. Like you sleep so well, you wake up so well, smell, perfume. Like sometimes like this I am now. I just bath, I spray perfume before going to bed. Like it will always call for going together. You know what I'm trying to say? It is very important. Do not, let your man always tell you to go and bath before bed. Very important as a woman. We have our armpit, we have our down there, sweat and everything. Maybe you cook in the kitchen. How can you go to bed smelling onions and oil? Sometimes when you fry something in the kitchen, it goes along with you like perfume. And that same body you go to the business, like say you sleep for kitchen with man. It doesn't make sense. Please, as a woman, it is very important. But before going to bed, wash your down parts, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. And It is very important. Personal hygiene. We are no longer babies. How can a man be telling you, go and bath before you go and bath? No, your smell is good, though, but when somebody tells you, say, go and bath, that means you smell bad. Some women will hardly take corrections, especially when it comes to people that are close to us or people like our man. Please take it because they are...